know, sometimes I tell myself, stop being a fussy, bro. Wake up, focus, be grateful. Stop being weak, bro. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get ultimate confidence with simple hacks and 3 major tips. My name is Alex, and I teach young men how to make money, how to have good relationships, and be successful in life. Now focus, listen carefully, and if needed, watch this again and again until it clicks. You need to understand these very basics. We are all born weak. We all came onto this earth deaf, dumb, and blind, with nothing. You need to remember we all have our own strengths. We all have our own weaknesses. We are all unique. We are all different. Nobody's better than you, bro, just because they got money, just because they got the hot girl, just because they got the supercar. Stop looking at these popular people and wishing I wanted to be like them. Hope one day I can be like them. You need to be who you are destined to be. They all have deep secrets inside their chest. Maybe that hot girl, she thinks she's fugly. Maybe that dude with big muscles, maybe he's a deep down insecure little boy at heart. You don't know people. Maybe they suffer with anxiety. Maybe they suffer with depression. We all have issues in life. Life is not perfect. Everyone has their own time in life. Maybe you'll be successful in 5 years. Maybe that dude that was super successful will come to you begging in 10 years. Bro, I lost all my money. My girl left me. I've got nothing. I'm on the streets. Can you help me? Maybe that super rich kid that came from a big family, big house, maybe you might see that kid one day, 5 years from now, 10 years from now. You might see him on the street corner, begging for money, begging for food. Everyone has their own time in life, bro. There is a big warning here though. Listen carefully. Don't be overconfident in life. Don't go around, thinking you're the man. Don't do that. Don't cross that line and become arrogant, because the quicker you go up, the harder you're gonna fall down. Don't become arrogant. Trust me, you will lose absolutely everything in life. Don't pretend to be someone you're not. You gotta be genuine to who you are. If you're a cool, calm, relaxed, more introverted, don't try all of a sudden be some crazy, outspoken, loudmouth guy, man. Don't do that. Be yourself. Now, for those of you who want real, raw confidence, some of you might be struggling mentally, maybe physically at the moment. I'm going to teach you 3 main steps to get ultimate confidence. There's no messing around, no making excuses. Don't get lazy. Don't say I can't. I don't have no money. I'm overweight. I don't have nothing in life. There's no excuses, bro. We all came from nothing. I came from nothing. You gotta remove the negativity. There's no ifs, no buts. I can't. Maybe tomorrow, I'll think about it. No, bro. Focus, wake up, rise up. You got to be grateful for what you have in life. No matter how large, how small, you gotta be grateful. Now, I hope you're focused. I hope you've woken up, bro. Before step number 1, I want to tell you guys a little secret. You got to sometimes be really hard on yourself. Sometimes I tell myself, stop being a fussy, bro. Wake up, focus, Be grateful. Stop being weak, bro. This is what I tell myself. And never, ever give up. Right, let's get it. Step number 1. You need to be the best version of you. Now, what do I mean? You must get mentally and physically fit first. That's number 1. You need to remove, not cut down. You need to remove. You need to remove all of the negativity, all of the time wasting things that you take in with your eyes and your ears and that you speak on your tongue. If you need to remove friends, remove them. Tell them, bro, I've got to bounce. I've got stuff to do. I've got some stuff going on. I'll holler at you soon. That also counts for family. If it's immediate family, it's a bit tricky. You know your situation best. But try to remove as much negative energy that comes around you. Smoking trees, that affects your brain. I don't care who you are, what type of mindset you have, that affects your brain. Stop smoking trees. Stop drinking alcohol. Stop going to stupid parties all the time. Stop going to the movies and watching a 2-hour film. Stop scrolling like a crazy person on TikTok. Stop watching Amaranth on Twitch, staring at her. Come on, man. If it doesn't take you to somewhere higher in life, if it doesn't teach you something, forget it. It's a waste of time. In my early 20s, I had to say to my people, to my bros, man, I've got an opportunity here to have something serious in life. I was young. I was in my early 20s. And I took the risk and I said, sorry, guys. And I knew some of them might leave. Some of them might turn on me. That's all good. Cool. They weren't supposed to be your friends. And I went, I bounced, and I went and I became successful. You need to understand this. Focus for a moment. You need to take up new skills. Educate yourself. Understand life. Understand business. Understand relationships. Understand investments. Understand what's going on around you in your country. People are broke. People have got no money. People are desperate. But you know what? There's things like crypto, like Bitcoin, where people are becoming millionaires. If you invest a little bit of money into crypto right now, this is one of the only times probably in life where you can easily become a millionaire in the next couple of years. Easy, with just a little bit of money. But you know what? People want to go and waste money on stupid stuff. They want to go buy $50 games. They want to go and buy $100 sneakers. They want to go and buy $5 coffees. Come on, man. Stop wasting your time and your life. Understanding real-ish in life. Yeah? These are the conversations you need to be having. You need to have conversation around all of these things with people. That's how you're going to be confident. You know stuff. What are you going to go and talk about? Did you see the new Fortnite skin, bro? What's that going to do, man? Yeah, when you can go around those people that you aspire, you want to be like, you want to have that girl, you want to be on that level like that guy that's driving a G-Wagon or a Lambo. How are you going to go and be like them when you can't talk like them, when you can't think like them? You need to up your game. You ain't going to get nowhere with zero knowledge, bro. It's as simple as that. Number 2, there is a famous saying, you are what you eat. And if you eat McDonald's every day, you're gonna look like ish and you're gonna feel like ish. Do you really wanna end up looking like a Ronald McDonald, bro? Come on, man. You need to start eating healthy, good food, high energy food that's going to give you the energy that you need, not bring you down. And before you tell me it's too expensive, bro, You can buy a bag of oranges that's cheaper than one chocolate bar. Instead of drinking soda, go and drink water, bro. It's free and it's better for you mentally. These changes will lift your energy and change your mindset. Food is one of the things that you have to take seriously. Number 3, get into a gym and exercise. If you can't afford it, do it at home. If you're overweight, take your time. If you've got an injury, work around it, bro. There is no excuse. I dare you to disagree in the comments. I dare you. Let me tell you something about my experiences. I broke my shoulder. I broke my shoulder. I tore this part, I tore the long part of the bicep, and I tore a muscle in my back that connects and holds everything in. Do you think that I let that stop me? I went through 9 months of recovery. Yeah? Not being able to lift a weight. Yeah, just to trying to get my arm moving again. It was busted. You know what I did? I still persevered smartly. I went from lifting 2-3 kgs up to 5, up to 7, up to 10, and now I'm pulling and pressing heavier and heavier weights. I couldn't even do one press up. Now I can do 180 press ups like that. One thing I highly recommend. I was a little bit of a mummy's boy. I tell you that. But I'm happy I was a mummy's boy because I learned how to be soft, how to be kind. I learned these things, which is good, but I also learned how to be a man. Let me tell you about something that changed my life big time. Taking up martial arts. Boxing, kickboxing, kung fu, MMA, do what you want, whatever suits you. Martial arts will teach you discipline. It will teach you how to be a man. You'll go there, you'll sweat, you'll break down, you'll be upset, you'll get beat up, but you will learn to fight back. I guarantee you, you will feel amazing after that first, second, third session. You will build the blocks to have a confident mind. I promise this will become super easy. You just got to start, bro. You have to start. You need to have some respect for yourself as a human being. You need to make a change. You need to get up. You need to stand up straight. You need to look clean. Style your hair. Get some energy in your face. Wash your face. Scrub it. Get some face cream. Give yourself some energy. Respect yourself. Look clean. Make sure your clothes are clean. You don't have to dress fancy, but dress nice. Speak confidently. Don't be afraid. Don't be weak. We all make mistakes. None of us are perfect. We all have a brain and we can all change. You just gotta want to. Life is as easy or as difficult as you want to make it, bro. Simple. Life is just boring without change. Why just go through life without change? It's boring, man. Come on. Life is just so short, bro. Trust me, from someone that's a lot older than most of you guys. Don't waste it, man. Congratulations, bro. You've made it this far. Now make sure you watch to the end because this last part is very important. Now pause for 2 seconds. Take a breath. Focus and listen to this point. Your brain is like a muscle. You need to exercise it. You need to feed it goodness, and you will become mentally and physically stronger and stronger and stronger. Do not tell yourself, it's too late, I'm only human, it's too hard, that's not who I am, I'm this person, I'm depressed, I'm that. Don't tell yourself these things. Stop blaming other people, stop blaming other situations from 1 year ago, 2 years ago, or even right now. You have a choice. Look into your chest, bro. Take responsibility. Process this information. Reprogram your brain and rise up. You can ask me anything in the comments down below. Now watch this for more good vibes and click here to become a soldier.